Ate Aya.
Okay, Aya, maraming na-shock dun sa sa teaser ng documentary na nakita namin parang
Oh, man.
panic attack kayo. Tama ba? Is that safe to say?
Yes.
How did you handle that? And how did the girls help you?
Kasi that time po parang I think yung first ulit na magpe-perform ako in front of a
first
crowd after parang rest muna po
That's right,
before
that's
that.
right.
Tapos yung po buti naman everyone was there, kino-comfort po ako. So actually nung nag-perform na po medyo kinakapa ko pa siya pero yeah, over
Pero
time.
yung obvious sa stage, ha? Yung mga galaw-galaw na moves mo.
Tama.
Pero ngayon, kamusta na? After all the shows, regional and the...
Panibagong ka ba po?
panibagong.
Pero it's nice po kasi parang before we started the Miniverse, we were here then. Tapos pinag-pray din po kami ni Father. Tapos ngayon, another thing na naman. And this time, it's in preparation for the States po and
That's right.
Canada tour.